Yeah, blessed day, you know. You say if it's the first time you're watching this channel, please do subscribe, you know what I mean? Like, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. We're up on the back of field, look here. We do look at improvement. You have look at nature, mix it with the color. Yeah, man. So it's the first time watch a movie, I tell me what you think about it, you know what I mean? As we fight to get better. After we get better, we will do more. You know what I mean? Let's go.
Hello, me have my man. I don't want nobody by. Sorry. I don't want nobody. When this boy out of order, boy, I come send me a private package. You're like, who is you? I don't want nobody, sir. I have my man.
I can't be a normal and also the speed. I don't understand. I know what anyway. That's why I can't move. Kiki. Kiki. Come here, good girl. I'm sure but you still didn't know what is girl. Yes, we're not in.
Yeah, girl. Girl, me say somebody that text me, me don't know who.
Who that?
I don't know, from private account, girl, and I send me them body picture or something. Look here.
What said? They will bring do one night. No, sir.
So then,
Oh,
so
you
I
got
girl,
one.
good.
Yeah.
Girl, me just me give it up at a bed.
Yeah, leave. Like me like I
Girl, me say the man or the woman, me didn't know who can want private account in bright. Just start text me and send me picture in them private part or something.
What
kind of nastiness?
You know,
Why if you
black
just start sending somebody their private part? Me have to text them and tell them say me have my man.
I'm gonna just block you or something.
And that me I go do of course.
Come and see if you last time.
Yes, can we see it again? You must
Yeah.
see it.
Look how you big and black and ugly.
I'm saying.
Jesus!
Me alright with my man. Anyways, me go to the kitchen and come back.
Yeah, I'm in the kitchen for you.
Oh yeah, come on.
Time up, man.
What's that? Hey girl, I'm there. I want to also feel. I want to also.
I'm up on the road. Up on the road.
Hey. Me not gonna let mommy run it and mommy go cuss.
I can't go back.
Mommy I go cuss.
I don't remember that stay. We can go on the road anytime.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Okay, later.
I don't know, mom is there miserable already.
Yeah, no.
What come to start for them things they
Remember, I just saw the sound.
that's a bit of a so fine.
Hello. You know, say, me have something to tell you. Just hear what me I say and I feel kind of know who your woman and my brother day. So me I call if you make you find out that. Alright, just go on and check our phone then. Right, if you not believe me then, make it stay then. Me not have to tell her all of that, then me just tell her something. Just go and go do it. And you know, say no lie, me I tell. Yeah, I know, I'm for advice. I'm straight. May I come to you? Or me see it on my brother's phone. My brother tell me say I am an him there. Oh. Alright. Yeah.
Go on. We know say you're one a friend, you know, right? Between me and you, she give me bun.
I don't know.
How you know, you know, because woman and woman chat, you know. You think she give me bun?
No, sir.
You don't think so? Because you don't know, you know, because I know when I tell me say you like me still and things, so I know say if she give me bun, you don't tell me the truth. Because I don't love woman that give me bun. Because I have to left her and take up you. You understand? But you good though?
But I think I get one.
But you good though, I get drink rum.
Yeah.
Come on, what?
The one boom. Imagine.
Enjoy yourself. But you still sing the same way.
Yeah.
Keep it that way there. If I'm a friend there. If me and I left one idea there, me take you up. Here? But you're good though.
Yeah. Yeah,
As somebody tell me one story that I come ask. Somebody tell me that she getting born, but me know say close a friend them would know. Alright? But now that I confirm, me feel a little better. Alright?
Are you?
Okay, what going on?
No, you're good.
No, me no good.
You're
You more
very
say.
national.
And you more answer still. You are going now. Because me that happen, you know. Me get a call today. Right? Say my woman a give me born. He have one man. And the man a text and thing and thing. Me know say you are the closest friend to her. She a give me born.
My friend not get no bun. My friend a good girl. You know, I don't know what she talk about me all in something. You love the man. Why should I do that?
It's your good.
What you want to?
No, the car not on call man.
Oh.
Alright, we soon come there. Let's go find us. Here.
Eh?
We soon come.
You soon come. You soon come. I have to deal with something. You soon come.
Good evening. I work today now. After me I work, you know, for work and a different still, okay, you know?
Yeah.
Me I start then, I pressure myself and say me I get some money because I want to have money. And when me check, somebody call me and tell me say they're different man.
But they would what?
They there one man, you one man they text whole day. Me see your phone. Same thing, see that? Same thing somebody said. See your text what somebody there? See you like the size.
No, this is the only text I sent. I don't know where.
No, but see one text I say no you this here and for your phone you can see it. For your phone there so I say
I
yours.
never send that message.
And same text what can you text back
This
to?
is the only message I send with the voice note. Say I have my man, I'm not interested.
No, but look on them text I don't so. I see like the size and what kind of picture.
I did not send that text.
Same thing I show you. Can't me tell you for the first time I talk, you know. So my heart have been broken 100 times. Can't trust
I
woman.
don't know how that text like. I never send no text like
So
that.
look, look on it. No your phone send a text her. Sophia text then, but Sophia text there. You know what? Since I then the size you want, go and do your thing. Oh, tired. I come for my things them tomorrow. Just check up that them clothes. Put that yesterday when you watch me. You find a hotel rent. Alright.
Yeah, so when you find out the truth, I hope you don't come back.
Yeah, you can't run some car, you what? They're not done enough.
What?
They're not done. Come find text in her phone. What a phone? We find text in her phone. She had man send her sex picture and she has to light the side and hold up when they go link up or something. You're not, you're not good. Yeah, pick up, but that's the so I take your phone a while ago, I tell her I take your phone. You see when I asked you a while ago, we know say you're not going to that text her so I can search her phone. So I'm sorry, I take your phone, I have to take your phone to ensure so I can find. Go on, don't get my result. But if I'm away, I sleep in my car until I rent a place. Your friend in there. You're not doing nothing, man.
You couldn't do her nothing. You couldn't do her nothing.
You're not little man.
Kiki,
Yeah.
where you going, good girl? You just drive up and take away phone, so. And I'll. Wait, they give me a minute. Sure.
Girl, him just come in like massive. Somebody call him when him there work and tell him say, I'm at home all day, I text man. Then him say make him see my phone. Girl, alright, do you remember when I show you the text? I'm gonna tell us I'm gonna show you advice for me send. Some other text send on this and me never send this last text, so I don't know who send this. Read that text there. But me like the size and I don't know what that text I send because I never send a text like that.
I'll go as long as I make a block.
But all as well, I'm not so that so them find out the truth and hope him don't come back.
I want to go over there.
Yeah, there
I want to go.
him say, them call him there work and them call him and tell him say, me there home I text man all day and him just grab my phone and see me and say, him really text them off. But some text send girl what me don't know about like from a voice note the person don't text it back. And say the person get a text from my number say I like the size and why for something. Them something them I like. Yeah. But me not so still go come out.
It's not sunlight, you know. Don't sunlight. Then again, just drive up and ask your call and take away phone. You need to say nothing.
Man, I
If he ask sales come would have surely call Kiki for
yes, so the private number, the private page there, I have to know who, because I have a friend who can make me know who that. Me I go check him. You know they come out and
Of course, me come on,
Come
get
on.
a one to them.
I have to find out who they do this. I have to find out.
Girl, I'm going to call now. I'm going to tell me what I'm going to me.
Alright, you can go on. Me know me have to find that person there right now. I'm not straight. I can't take this. I'm just like me on. Come on. Alright girl, so me just sit down right just now wait till 5 minutes to come so you can tell me who do this.
Man, what who to? And that.
I say girl, I can't believe that. I know them did a try fight against me, you know. But I not say 40. I not say 40.
People just bad mind.
Them bad mind. See there? Look there, look at who. I can't believe Tiffany really do this, girl. I can't believe Tiffany really do this. And you know what I say?
So they always say water thicker than blood, you know.
Well, Andy.
You know,
I think I know when she do it. Remember the tone you know I'm coding a girl. You remember when I tell her somebody go into the kitchen go deal with something I put on my phone on the bed?
Oh yes,
And you
somebody
come to
do
the
look what?
yes.
No.
That let me feel like say that and she get up and she come out. Remember as you come out of the kitchen she go away? That's why she never want to come down and the man would do a while ago.
You know what?
Me not say 40.
Me even say 40, come
Hey,
on.
me I go beat that girl there, wait, forward.
Brother.
No, you be a first to come here. Right, come right this up. Knock my girl. Hello. Are you where I come to? Hello. Yes, come up right. That's where they go. What's up? Girl, are you where I come to? What's up?
Go for him around, come. Eh? You.
What kind of dirty style that?
Come talk, can't catch me time. Me say catch me turn. You may we have run to a come talk.
Hello, lady, are you me talk to? What kind of style that? Why? Yeah, me know you the one man long time, you know. Me know you never good friend, you. What kind of style that?
Girl, I get some bad men. I'm get stay so.
What kind? You say me tired? How long me tell you to stop?
Girl.
What kind of style that?
Girl.
What kind of style? What kind of style that? I think. You see,
I actually need a brother.
you see, as long as me live, see me on the left and take you right.
That is.
If you ever see me on the right, you take it and don't talk back to me. Hello?
Oh, going Kiki.
My Diana, girl, me reach home now here. So me go call B and me can win full 100 and then me contact back to you here.
Alright.
Alright, big up yourself.
You too. Later.
I can't believe the girl really do me this car. May I call B and tell you. Hello. More, you come over here. Come on, I want to show you something. Just come over here, we know. If you don't want to come in, I have to come in, but come, I want to show you something. I want to see what you bex with me, if I know. I want to show you.
Babe. Woman. Come on, come talk to me now.
Take care, come here.
What kind of bed still, man? But where's you have to show me though?
Come here now. Sit down. You see me in a good relationship and you make people make me and you break up.
But you may say no. If me still...
Listen, let me show you something. Because me tell you something, I have to find out at home, you know. I check my friend with him and I make you find out at home. I get the fake something and look on him.
You check your friend today and in niggas.
You see who do it?
But your friend this year? Me ask her what
No more than she want you or maybe you and I talk behind my back or something.
Nothing like that.
But see, they don't realize, you know, see.
Oh.
And this me about
no, but you know. But alright, if I were, remember now, put your, if I were me, I see a girl send vagina in my phone, and you see me text on my phone
so
and say, look,
no
good.
other way you could deal with this?
No.
Than
Me I deal it like how you would deal with it.
No, I would not.
No, listen up.
Me wouldn't.
If a woman call my phone right now, who that? What you want for? What shall I call you for?
That's
No,
the difference.
so,
You never said that to me like
no,
you
but somebody call me and tell me say I'm done to
you can bring that go court to your side?
Then call me.
Can you bring yourself to court?
Ah, well, me wrong then.
Okay.
I apologize.
You take up your clothes then you leave and you don't find out nothing.
No,
and
because
we get the chance to
hurt, you see, when it hurt, when you love somebody and you feel like they style you, your blood a boil. So when your blood a boil, there's no way me can calm and deal me just made us hot. So me have to move out that era.
Well, me I did one good girl to you. I'm show you my loyalty.
Well, me sorry.
And you diss me. And I feel like me need an apology.
No, I tell you, I
You
apologize.
need to carry me out and make me feel that nice.
Alright, babe. Alright, just get ready. We carry out tonight then.
Okay.
That means afterwards we can make some good makeups, love. Because really and truly the girl I will mess with you, really.
And don't you dare listen to ears and make this up again.
Next time I will find if nothing go wrong, maybe try get to the midlight before we jump to conclusion. Cause I wanna catch me off guard. I never expect to see a friend who already do that to you.
I wouldn't expect it either.
Alright, really sorry, dear. So I'm gonna get a shower and then take you out.
Alright.
I'm gonna see you love and be there. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Come. It's a very nice shower.
You just make me a blush.
Auntie,
Yes, where friend me suffer?
after me come.
Why no?
No, cousin come fight me with my new tough friend.
Tough friend, so now you're a friend too.
No, some of them
From when?
go on, they come beat me up. And I'm back on everywhere part me at me.
So then just come and just beat you up, so?
Make one act. Make check them out. And then find out. And my new friend just come and beat me.
To that, but you're wrong for the part there, but they never have any right to fight you. So we should know.
No. Just come up here and come tell.
Alright. Well, me go wait for her, but since as you say your back are hurt, you feel pain, we make go talk to our father, and our father will take care of the doctor there. Right? Yeah, remember son our family, son of live good, right? Alright. So we go hear what she say.
Hi.
Alright. Great. Which part you all come from?
Me go to the road to come back. You don't I'm my friend.
So you love road every time you come from a road. Every time a road is there. Look here, your cousin just come from make a complaint about you.
What kind of complaint? Where did you come complain to me?
Say, according to she, you and your tough friend come fight her off.
You may not understand what.
Where you feel so me not understand?
Alright, let me tell you what. I'm a cousin here, so not but into bad man and if you stop certain style. The girl have her man and she gone within her house, bola within her house as friend. And like we go in her kitchen, come and do one some water and she go check on something in her kitchen. And then meanwhile we in her kitchen now, she take up the girl phone and go and text. Somebody must go there send her some picture of them private and them something.
Her phone?
Yes. Big
private to now.
Big private picture. So she did send one voice note say she don't want to deal with the person or what they must send to her phone. And then at the same time now, so cousin now she there talk about black when she knows that she the gang and do whole heap of foolishness now.
So let me ask you a question now. So because she make the whatever according to you then, what right you have to go lick your cousin?
Mommy,
Look here, you don't have no right to the car.
but suppose I did for me man. And in
For your what? But no heart, so you get right.
no.
Not because you're 18, that not say you're too bright.
No, I example, me name mean like me not have no man. I just example no.
Okay.
But for true, suppose like Carla send me have one look of boyfriend now, and she can't do that. Mother do the same, she too rude.
So that's
too
why it hurt you that much. And you don't have no boyfriend. And it hurt you that much that you and your friend turn down and beat your own cousin. You don't know say blood thick and water. You don't have
but
no
sometimes
right.
water thick and blood. Suppose
No, water can't thick and blood. You don't know where you get that from. You don't have no right. See there now? She in a pain, you know. Which part you go get money to send her go to doctor? Me happy tell her say when your father come, your father go get money to go to doctor, you know.
yeah, money, mommy, only forget money. Nobody no lick him in her back. He too lie. Me tell her say he lie, you know.
Well, she tell me say you according to she, you and your tough friend beat her up. No, look how she little bit. And look how your friend big. And she could have the happy beat up a little girl like that. Look how she slim and mager. I told her wicked. Well, I shouldn't tell you. I might not tell your father, you know. I make you have to find the money. And then you will learn. Make you find the money. No, me not tell your father. You go and find the money to give her to go to doctor.
You must know where you gonna find the money from. But you go and find it, you send her for a doctor.
Oh my God.
Me no business where you want to get it from. You should have think about that before you go beat her up. You never think about the consequences. Okay then, well you have to think about it now. Because you're going to have the expense to take care of. So, you must know, you know. You must know where you're going to get. Where you go?
The son-in-law. A church nigga, give me an answer. Rough. You have money? No, you just see money me have. Remember, say you want the eyeglass, the glass, your eye. That's I mean, organize up here. To them, I'll get the money early in the idea. Alright, so that money they more deal it. Look out, church, I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to need prayer.
I'm later, keep safe.
I'm going to need prayer. I want to play 2 games. Alright, so later.
Okay, play some.
What you want?
We go tell you when you win.
Alright, so we can tell them what you want. Alright. Alright, we can turn for now for the man.
You first.
When boy.
You are with me?
We want more try still.
Vicky.
No, Charlie. Okay, mama. What game?
Yes!
Rinko.
No, yes, we didn't. I got it, yeah. I agree. B, my friend said she wanna have us. So she wants to follow this.
Alright, I'm gonna be off today now. So, but remember say you have something to do today. So, what do you do? And get yourself ready because it's serious. You really need to get yourself on your priority straight. It's not fun and games every day.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, Emily.
Yeah. I said our friend.
Okay. You don't know, so she go tell Mambo also will beat her up.
So, mommy
Mambo
say,
also pay no power money for God after.
me not get not even $1. Me not get none. So, what you plan to do?
Are you not come to ask for that borrow money for here? Because when I say no, I don't find the money go put me home.
Oh, you know, say, me not really have no money for me right now. Spend the only money I have to pay for my school, something like that. Because I go back to school. But me check something for you and in case I know, yeah. But me have to get ready now to go to school, so we'll link you.
Alright, I'll go for them.
Alright, this thing, I go there by maybe 4 o'clock, so yeah, me call you for your phone if I know. And stop worrying yourself about that, don't worry yourself over no girl. You see, remember your birthday tomorrow and we plan for Gary River, so even if we get piece of money, we have to save you for Gary River same way. So, me make you know, so me call you.
Alright, later.
Yeah. I go going over here because the time working.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah. Don't come back.
Like when I go up on the road, so many times. I like watch people, you know. Alright. Then I go sit up on the road. Let's pull on. I'll start by some jet street.
Alright. So come back.
You how much money they want? Because we have money here.
Alright.
You know how much money they want for the deal.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, that.
Kiki, friend. Yeah, come in.
Yeah, man, come. She's not there, no, she's gone already.
No, so she can. And something more ask her.
Sorry about your phone, my dear. You hear?
Oh, that good man. That squash up and good. And so Marie come to you about saying, get myself, you know, like a trouble and need like a help.
What kind of trouble?
You can't help me.
With what? I'm gonna help you though.
We don't want to look at me like 10 grand.
What? I'm not looking at you know what I'm saying? I have 10 grand but my maths out if your mother-in-law because she want an eyeglass to deal with something because her eye not see good. You know what I mean? And she got in a church. You know what I mean? So that mother don't know upon me. I know, kinda rough.
Big can this person let me do anything in your favor.
What do you mean by that?
Can I show you one?
Show me now? You see that now? Where you go show me? Where you go show me?
Something like this.
You know, say shy and you know to talk, but me don't know such a skill though, you know. All of me shouldn't do that a while ago, but I feel like I do it again next time. So if we're not no more difficulty, I understand that. But why you never do it just make it just so?
Because I am a friend there and told me to sleep on the bed. I name like personal love beauty in the city.
You love the city? Alright. Alright. So you're going out?
Yeah, I'm getting money.
Alright. I put up one still I say something wrong with them, something wrong. And we get it back. But anytime you want, it's between me and you. Don't make nobody know. Anybody asks where you get the money from, you find it on the road. The Burbalian name, chop their pass, and the turnover, and some money clash out. And everybody crowd up, and the two gonna get take out two of the money them and a $10,000. You give to whoever you give to, them not tell nobody where you get the money from.
Yeah.
So anytime you give money to the Birmingham truck turnover, again, you also you know how you lucky so. Because you see where you're going with, they have to spend some money for you. Really and truly. And your friend can't know. So it's a secret. Alright?
Alright, may I go away now?
Get yourself in a trouble tonight again. We find a way to get next money again. Here?
Alright.
Yes.
So, can we get one taxi? Jesus. The people in parks kind of thing. One time already? So, no other way, I'm not. They're very, disgusting. Oh boy. Home sweet home. My daughter not even so where you come from?
I'll check my account, check my administration.
Oh, I never call up on the phone.
My phone left a charge. Dead.
It's always there.
Was fire inside. So she can't say more.
You not understand every time me a come fire in there, you are come from water. You don't understand. You have to ask for us. Why every time me come here, wherever I'm coming from, my son-in-law, how are you there? Hey, boy.
Yeah!
What's going on?
Oh, me there, you want a beard? Me a beard. When me done, me go and check you.
Alright, go back to my
Yeah, me a beard.
Let me tell us you.
Yeah, me can't hear you.
I need to have a team of talk with you.
The water nice. How was church today? Did you pray for me? Alright, I soon come. I hope you pray for me. The offering money pastor don't ask for no more. I hope you don't ask for no more. Because them blasted pastor there. They go to synagogue walk. They not synagogue walk.
With your friend.
Babes, maybe somebody remember the church and I go on a river trip with my best friend. Because today our birthday, so our cousin come from overseas and so we're going on a river trip.
Alright, well, Monday I'm going to work today, so. Do that for them. But remember, not chat to no man at the
It's
river.
a girls trip, like
And
no
miss
guys.
and I know upon a rafting there.
No.
And me no want no man rub no more than upon you. You stick to yourself. If your friend want me to rub something upon you, rub upon him. Don't rub upon you.
Alright.
You keep yourself to yourself. Alright, take picture and something I can look upon it. Send me that work. Not that work.
Alright, maybe I'll call this thing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Tell the mother where you go, cause you know so she worried about you.
Mommy,
Yes, ma'am.
may I go on the road there?
You made an alligator.
Alright, mommy.
I'm here alone there, Mama Joy.
Long relax yourself.
Yeah, man, I'm tired, man.
You are tired. Relax yourself.
Oh, you have the color?
Yeah.
You see, normally people do puzzling, but we don't say love color.
Yeah, me do puzzling too, but sometimes my eyes them. I can't see the words them. But the coloring more easy. You understand?
I go buy the glasses. I threw one day, the money, me have some money for me, and it just accidentally buck up in one place and mash up. You know what I mean? So soon I'm going to get back a piece of money by next week. So by next weekend, we get the glasses.
Alright, I'm holding on to your words. You say I'll get it as soon as you get some money.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Alright, so I'm holding on to your words. I'm looking forward to get it. Alright? Alright, no problem. It's not a problem. They may come from church. And I see my daughter best friend.
Yeah.
I'll come out to you. I hope you not hear about me. Because me personally, you like no middle to you.
No, I'm not get that about
You don't want no middle, it's a mad woman, you know.
Me, yo, she ain't come back and check for her, then so she want to use the bathroom. So maybe she come out of the bathroom and she a going out, she a pull up
Oh, okay, alright.
So
Alright.
she should have called your daughter and never get her.
Me not about that something to her since you said that, you know?
Yeah,
Alright.
That's not to her, man. Okay?
No, me not something to her. But if you never explain yourself and me not understand what you say, but I tell her
Yeah, man.
to be careful.
Yeah, man.
I'm a daughter that, you know.
Yeah, man. I'm
Alright.
a woman that, you know.
Yeah, definitely
You know
so.
where you go.
Alright.
I want to give your grand pick make you can enjoy yourself. You and them could go and call up.
You need to.
Yeah, man.
You need to. So make sure so you do what you have to do. Do the right thing. Okay?
You're not going to work later, so I'm going to take a fire. Go and do what you do. Go and do the security, honestly.
Definitely so.
Till your daughter forward.
Alright, hold on up now. Okay. At time for you go work, you know. You not get up.
Alright, so
Where the time ago. Time fly fast.
when she comes to clean up your room, because boy, I'm not get time. Can you say what clean up here?
Me help out, me clean up. I always say, when you come, she got tired.
Alright, so I'll show them how I go on for the work. Alright?
Yeah, later.
Alright.
Drive carefully.
Alright, I will.
Sun hot now. It's hot. It's hot. It feel like it's about 90 something degrees. It's really hot. You take a shower all 10 minutes later. Okay. You know, help. You know what I mean? But that's why I go. We can't complain. God is good.
Program with me.
Hi, baby. Anyway, my daughter just walking away for chit chat because I'll call her back here. Alright, later. What's up? You just step forward?
Yeah.
For yourself, you tell us I'm gone to work. I'm going to wait for you, say I'm late. So, the place is clean because I'm in the kitchen and burn down something. So, they tell him say it's okay with that clean because I know when you come in, you're tired.
Okay.
Yeah, so how was work?
What's great?
Yeah? So, you good otherwise?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, I'm just a little bit, you know, weary because of the sun. The sun drains you. You know what I mean? When the sun hot like this, it drains you. But otherwise, we're like a good man. We live to see another day, we have to give God thanks. That's true. Yeah.
Say it.
No, as I said, in the kitchen, when I finish cook.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you clean the room.
Alright, yeah, do so. Clean up the room and then we finish, you know, do what I do in the kitchen. Alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy,
Yes?
now go up on the road and she won't come back.
You go up on the road. You know, see me do something for your help, me do something, but you have to prepare yourself to go up on the road.
Mommy, not take long, I soon come back. When I come back, I help you.
So, me if you make a plate, then stay answer till when you come from out the road.
You know, I'm gonna take long, I just right this.
Look here. Then, I saw you go to the road.
One to me.
And then the clothes that you wear go to the road.
One to my clothes.
What do you mean what happened to your clothes? Look by your clothes. When you're done, you go in and go look by your clothes.
Mommy, soon come back, it not take long. Alright,
Alright. Anything must sweet you on the road, I go so why you know. So you go on. You go on. Anyway you come from, you broke bad already.
So me say the party from this morning.
Then nobody can say they see me and her. Me and her is no friend.
Somebody tell me say they see I'm not doing a party doing this so we keep last week Friday. They say they see I'm not doing a party.
Which somebody that who fi see me a party with nobody. I like them up there. Girl, if you know me a girl party, me now go. Lie.
Girl, a good source me here from. Good source me here from say your name did their party. But since I say you never gonna party with her, me a friend me a check your red sleep.
Girl, you know me no go party. Who tell us so? No, who tell us so? Which good source? Who tell us so?
That first man never made that good. You me a friend forget about that. Anyways, we're going for such man.
Sure, me even want to talk about him right now because he just come and get a look one touch and gone. So based on the boy style me. You don't want to talk about him.
Aye, me didn't know say vaginal. From me see me know say vaginal. I don't know if it's about them man I feel.
I'm not in a look people put on with me, making one and ask for him.
And I like girl, I see him side up with you. Them man I don't want nobody. Them just want to look cunt.
I thought both of me man, girl, here when me have a man forget still no.
No girl, me say me have a man you know. And me and him go on good, me nah mess it up. My man different. Me just feel compatible with him, me nah do it.
Girl, we are talk about one man. You have to have two man with two and them can't clap. One and can't clap. We are talk about one man a go one but the jog can't clap.
Girl, we can't do brother. My man good brother, like my man a treat me
No,
good
man.
man.
What you guys in here talking about?
Mommy,
What?
we just have a reason with my friend, mommy.
And what are you guys talking about?
I was asking her about her partner and she was doing the same.
What kind of partner?
Her boyfriend.
Listen,
Her boyfriend.
I don't know about she, you know, but you're not ready for no boyfriend. You're not even finished high school. You got boyfriend you talk about. Huh? You know, long as I listen to you guys. And you love me.
Mommy, we just remember so we young in the movie. We talk to one look boy.
No. You and I go over this over and over. I'm telling you, you're not ready yet. Wait. When you finish high school and start college, I'm say you really do good, then you find a nice, decent young man.
Alright, mommy, me I go carry my friend go put her on drive. Me soon come back.
Listen to me. And you young lady, me hear about you, I don't want you, I don't too want you.
Mommy, we soon come, mommy. We soon come, mommy. We soon come, mommy. No, mommy.
Me not too want you on me that because you have bad influence. Me hear about you now. I hear about you. I'm gonna take this thing a joke business. Me I'm beating stick here. I'm post so behind with it. I'm gonna take me up with it. Me now play. When I don't broke up the bed and finish high school here, I'm going to college.
That's a parents. You can't do pain, no man. You so make it free for them. Emily girl, what going? So you did a much party last night? Did you want to join you Tiffany, but we couldn't come out because we didn't embarrass the lab. You know, me love make me a little money already, so I know. But me soon know they don't know the store fire. If me I see up on head that girl, I see the bad. Girl, let me make me sure you miss it. I want 100% sure yeah, you miss it. I see your style too. After me one that is not your style. Look much book is really not too. But look for your face. Are you alone? Are you alone face? And are you alone have a little mole for your nose? So me know you girl. We have to go to you. No, me. Yeah. Alright. If I see I know you. Wrong somebody. Wrong somebody. Yeah, wrong somebody. Wrong somebody. Wrong.
What are you saying about the party? People see your girl.
Girl, I me dance.
How much money you say they steal?
Girl, I like me. After me one look so.
Anything you say?
Come on.
Ah.
Anybody.
Hello, my friend. You got a minute, please. I know you're from somewhere, though. You know, I see one party the other night and I have a video, you know. I use same one, man.
Which video? Let me see.
I have a video when they all dance and something, man. I want other girl. Hold on, let me find the video. I told you about me, they have to catch a video, then I tell you. You can't dance, man, but I tell a lie. See it. Coming from your forward, me I look at me and say, I know you, man. I know you from somewhere, but pick up yourself, man. You can't dance, man. You see me, I tell you. But mama, you know, for this your fans, them still a road where I show you respect, you know. Because I tell you right now, I have one party your mother want you. Your said friend can't dance. 27th of January. But you see, you know, show me nothing like you really care still. But pick up yourself still.
Come here, we ain't sit down. You know, so I feel like I need to stop going with this still. Because you take God off a cross and a girl never gonna party. Even though a girl stop you down there and say it, you take God off a cross and you never go. I know this and nigga you have video and you still say I know you.
My name want to tell you. You see me tell you that Bex with me. Remember say Tony and talk and remember say me and her cousin, you know. I can't just stop talk to him so.
See, I feel like say basically they just tell me say I true now for just tell me.
So me want to Bex you. Don't know me things set already.
See, I feel like it like go make me Bex more.
Me mean feel like you know just true. No, me did afraid. Me want make you get upset or nothing.
I just don't like a girl. Me tell you the truth, I don't like her. I can't stand her. Alright, come here, make a promise. Promise me say you're not gonna talk to her back again. Can you see the same thing what she do with me and my boyfriend with the fake account? She can do it same way too.
What's wrong? And if it's true, if you do it, you must can do it.
Exactly. Promise me say you're not gonna talk back to her.
Come on.
Alright.
Come on. Emily. Girl, me go on party. We go here.
Girl, you listen me after. You don't know so when you see me, you left it top, you say you have to go up on the left and me take the right.
Girl, you know, it's when I talk to you, I talk to my cousin.
Yes, I'm my friend, me and my friend are
can't
walk.
talk
You know,
to
if
me
you talk to me right now, like we are walk, we don't want to see you. When you see me on the left, you have to take the right. You know me, you don't plan, please.
You're alright, you know, me I talk to you.
Yeah, we
You
don't
know,
want
can't
to see
talk
you.
to me,
We
then
don't
I
want
talk
to see you. Because the next thing, you feel like you could have break up me and my man down with a little fake account. You could have break up me and my man. You could have do it. Girl, me didn't even want to see you and buy.
You're right, you know.
Good evening. And now you just a come from the time you say you soon come back?
I'm sure something did happen on the road.
Me no business with what happen on the road. Me have the plate for wash and say, you know, wash the plate. Me finish wash the plate and me start rake the yard. And you just a come, so you know expect so you to do something in the yard.
I sure something did happen.
Me no business with what happen on the road. What happen on the road have to do with me and what you have to do in the yard. Okay, me miserable. Okay. Anytime you go to the road and you buck your toe, don't call me. Because me miserable. Remember your words and me miserable. Come on. Hello. Where you go?
We are going to house.
No. You're not going there. You leave and you go and you just come back and me do everything and you know, do nothing. And now you're going to come go in the house. You're not eating anything in here tonight.
Me no want nothing to eat. We done eat something already when we go up on the road.
Okay. So through you eat on the road already, you feel so if you come face it. Come take your rake and come finish rake up your yard. Me never tell you if you do nothing for tired. See rake, you go rake up your yard. Look for your mouth. Your mouth so long like a John boot a sheet of hat.
I like how you chat to me with a friend, you know. Although me I'm not chat, but I like how you chat to me. Girl, you talk about how me talk to your own friend. You know so what you do, brother? You know for the day sitting there, through me and your cousin let me come back and contact you know. You know for the day sitting in the party, you do the same thing to me too. Girl, slow down. Me not gonna do that to you. Me your cousin, me your family. But me not do that to you. Oh, see my like our friend frig up, family frig up too. There's no difference. Girl, and everyone I family them frig up. But keep on like you want too much like good man then. You know one good man too. Yeah, but I know one good man there. Enough man the girl, no fish in the sea. Nah. You know one good man there over there say, you want it. If you see one nice man right there say you want it. You have to tap you know so everywhere girl man and the one. No girl. Then you want it? No, sir. So make a try my friend. Girl, you see me with one nigga. And like, where did like your nigga first? It two away. They did like talk it true. They did like your nigga first. Not that any nigga there, a different nigga we are. So what make you try mash up it two of them? You must have a reason for try mash up it two of them. Girl, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I did kinda like him man. But so we just come out for that. I can't bother. Can't bother the jam, I can't bother the jam. Come on, we go down here. Come on.
Your man, you know. Every time. Wait, because bone almost come short. Then I swallow a piece of bone. Every time you're not there, and me go over there or whatever it may be, your friend, you look a maga friend, you want to look at skinny and me ring, always there. Me not trust your man. You look very sneaky, and me not trust you either. But you know what you're gonna do? Left and say you're gonna walk, left early. If you usually left like 7, left like 6 o'clock and make a U-turn and come back and come catch them. Yeah, tell us something now go on, something fishy. And him me not trust because you can't trust
You're sure my friend for me?
Yes.
The same one?
Uh-huh. The last time I come from church, me see her. Me I come on the corner, she come on. So me say, you're not here. She say, nah, me not even about she tell me say no, me forget. But anyhow, me say to her, say, why you never call her? I said, come over, you should call her because you know, say her schedule kinda, funny. Sometimes she
Me
work.
I know say what day me did tell her if you come check me back because me did I go give her some you sure know that she did come for?
Something fishy. Then as soon as me come in the bathroom a bed, what you mean they bed for? Something alright. But you know what? Get that camera and put it in your bedroom. Put one in the bedroom and one in the bathroom. Then there.
I remember me I go do it and see what's going on. So we up to different things.
Why? Because they are eat some food and you're hungry.
Yeah. So what you say about the glass? What you say about the eyeglass here?
You not talking to me more about it. Then say I'm going to get it from my town and I'm not saying nothing yet. Promises are comfort to a fool, you know. Maybe I take me to an idiot.
I'm going to link him and you and my make it.
You make you know something tell you, you know?
No, but me, you know that and I do that.
Because then if you tell him, if you give him heads up, then he more depend on God. You have to catch him off guard.
Alright, mommy, come here, girl, let's go try. Straight no go place and see me can go on the road.
Watch around your man.
Alright, mommy.
And tell them your business because the man treat you good and people jealous.
Yeah, mommy.
Alright. Soon buy your car, they want car too. You understand?
Alright.
Alright, later.
I'm going to equip with that too, but me see what I'm going. I'll put up the camera.
Alright. One in the bedroom and one in the bathroom. You will see everything safe. This is another line later.
Alright, mommy.
Later.
Mommy! Yeah. Me I set this up and figure out on the road. And that me I do. You good in our bedroom, mommy? Alright.
There's no peace in Spanish town, yeah. No peace in, yeah?
You know, maybe I turn up on my...
Yeah, put on something different though.
May I deal with something?
But me know why, this is why we put on the road?
Yeah, me not go
No,
long.
no, look here. It's
Listen
not
up,
a
me not go stay
problem.
long.
No,
That's me.
listen up. You find something else put on, wait there. Let me see if I find something here. Yeah, go down the road. Borrow my towel. Because you have to go here this. Go down the road car. And I run on truck. A style. Style can't spoil. Nobody look for my stuff. They want to tell us they want severe and they want way.
Alright, let's come back.
Do that. Mommy, I was asleep, mommy.
Not really, no, but they are the some sewing.
No, put on your sewing and get some sleep, man. But play one music around here. And the show you, I know why you hear this because you're a Christian. So my time, them have look at sexual activity in the show here. So I'm going to try to keep it down. So if you hear sexual sound at the movie, I don't like you to hear the movie still, but sorry. We just bored to them watching the movie here. Alright. What is that now? We come on the phone so fast. I'll pick up the phone, y'all. I made it on the same time in door. Let me phone the phone silent though. Long time you call me? Oh, she went there a while ago. She just gone. I look on the phone ring. Where the phone silent. I saw Miss call. Yeah man, she went there man. I don't want your phone because she love look on my phone, you know. Even though you have the different name pan you know. But still, I don't want it because if she hear your voice, she gonna know it's you. I'll come over there and watch her pan come because she not turn long. So anything I do, I have to do it fast. Yeah man, hurry up and come. Sell them out, make you sell them out, man. Depends on what you do, we can put an extra on it. Alright. Now you don't waste time though.
What?
There, put up the door, lock the door. Shh, I don't talk too loud. Move around there, but You tell her any night she hear a movie. Hey, that movie is nice! Hey! Whoa! What a movie nice! Whoa! Oh, that was good. Alright, we'll have to get the check out the foot clothes because. Oh, that! I'm moving soon, that I know!
I'm a doctor.
I'm a Jai!
Who is it?
No, I'm moving down I know!
Now like how you call come every minute, you know, like you're up to something.
No, man.
It's some kind of fishy.
Boy, the movie very nice though, man, I tell you. That's a long time I don't watch a movie like this in one day. I tell you, but we can't watch a movie there. Then we have too much specific. I don't know what you brought, but it's I thought. It have too much specific tonight, too much profanity, yeah. That's the same word I'm looking for right there. Profanity. You have too much at night and you have your church woman in your church. But me out of all ya. So me watch me tell her. You follow me eye.
You follow me come to church and give your life to Christ.
Yeah, I go start come to church. I go start come to church. Yeah, man. So I can be a better man. Alright, anyway.
Bless up.
Me there, now for soon gonna walk.
Alright.
Now come go walk. Here?
Bless up.
When the daughter come, tell her I left her money in the jar. She know perfect to look for it, alright?
Alright. Say no more.
Mommy, are you there? Mommy! You're on there?
Get me home.
What did you do?
What you say?
Yeah, I said I'm not doing it.
Me not tell you? I told you it's fishy.
Feel there.
Me tell you. Every time once he's there, she always, me come look for me your daughter. So why don't you call first before you come? You know she's a busy woman. That part of me start to not trust them. Then the last time I come from church, him go in the bathroom. How come as me come say I'm going in the bathroom?
Mommy, don't worry yourself. Me I go deal with it. Your daughter go deal with you. Me I go in my room.
You make nobody turn your pricker, you know? No, make nobody take your tongue pricker. Your father never told me not pricker. He was a good man.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, later.
Me call her girl. Hello, Emily.
Yeah. Quite free.
My day, you know, so I just walk down the road and come back. You can't come look for me now. Yeah, because I realize I'm busy for another day. Forward now?
Alright, may I come?
Alright.
Yeah. Vicky. Where's the bundle?
Come here. What is? And you call yourself a friend? And you call yourself friend? You know good.
All the reason why I go park for now.
You know,
Because I'm a child of God. If I'm never a child of God, I tell you, say, beat her to frazzle.
You know good.
A long time she'll take your man.
You.
Alright, my daughter, come.
We should be heading here.
Now you got jail. You know why you got jail. Come, my daughter, come.
You know good.
Come.
You.
Come, alright.
You know good.
Hold on.
Make him come on, make him go beat him. Come on,
Come on, come on.
You know good. Come on.
Come, girl. Run.
You know good. Move there for dead.
A long time.
My friend enemy them.
A long time, me I
They're
tell
my friend
you.
enemy.
Me never like
All
hold
right.
them too close. See? I tell you. Hey, come here.
Mommy,
Yes.
you can't believe I'm going nice and she just say me come around here come beat me up, you know. Nothing lick from again. None me nothing, no lick.
So where you go with the knife? Put on your knife. Right. Me and you go around there and go to our mother. Because I want to hear fair side of the story. Because you know, tell me nothing. So me go come around there to find out what is what. Alright. What the man there?
I call you on fire now.
Call him. Tell him a long time it ago. So I tell you, put the camera. Camera is a big proof. See? You see for yourself. The button there have to come tell you nothing. I never like what I go on. It look fishy. Very
Hello.
much fishy.
Oh yeah there. What time you have for work? Alright, hurry up and come.
Oh, me a war. With friend and company. And you're not here. You're not here when you're ready. You leave out the yard and you have to where you go. You go look for friends. And you see what happen now? See what happen? You don't have nothing to say. Because what? No man, you must have something to say. Because me that talk to you. And you know. And see, they want to fight you now. So you must have something to say.
Because of what me do.
Because of what you do. Hey, so what you do? Why you can't answer? So like something bad every day. You must can't answer. You don't care how bad it is, you must can't answer. You just silent, so you're not saying nothing at all. No, sir. Or something bad then. I must murder you commit then. Miss Joyce? Yes? Just a minute. How are you? I'm good, you know. How are you?
Well, that makes sense. Complain. We live to see another day called this food.
Right, and
So
we give in time.
We give thanks. We give
Yeah,
thanks.
yeah.
We're still here.
Yes. The doctor come and make a complaint say she and your daughter was fighting. So, you know, so there's two sides to every story.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes,
So-
definitely so.
Right, sometimes three,
Sometimes three, the truth.
right? Your
Number three,
side,
the
my
truth.
side, and the truth.
And the truth.
Yeah.
So did she explain to you why them a fight?
Come here.
If you remember me, sit down here. Sir.
So don't baby.
Well, I know she not tell me what the fight was about.
You need to tell your mother the truth. It don't make sense if you're going to complain to your mother, say you're not fighting, you're not tell your mother the truth. Because you know what you did. You know what you do, so tell her the truth.
So talk now. You not talk, you don't have anything to say.
You're not batty and chamber, on us so
Right.
close.
Right.
Nobody couldn't get between the two and the way on a tight like a virgin. So what's the problem?
And that me want to
That
know.
was the plan for her to get close to me so she can do what she did.
So what she really do?
Let her tell you she's your daughter. She is my mom and I explained to my mom that your daughter explained to me.
So tell me your side of the story. Talk what it is.
Alright. It's because when we did go fight my cousin, I did some go have to find some way to get the money.
Yes.
I did ask her for help, you know, but me never get to see any time. Because she have to deal with school. So when she did gone, even though me wrong, me did come over to talk to Fire to see if he could have helped me. And me don't know which part would I get the money from, so me tell him some would I do anything.
Anything?
Yes.
Yeah. Anything
Because
like what?
remember
So?
said me now work, so me don't know how would I get it give him my cousin.
Mm-hmm.
So we end up do something and we did continue doing it where I could have get money to do anything I want to do.
But you should do it to your friend.
So you and our boyfriend end up doing something, and this something
continue.
Yes.
So, let me ask you one question because this something business, me not understand that something business. So, let me ask. So, you mean to say you and our boyfriend end up having sex?
Yes.
So, after you and our friend, grow up, and you really go sleep with your friend, boyfriend?
Yes, and I went out with her on her birthday to the river, and we were there enjoying ourselves, and she knowing in herself that she's sleeping with my boyfriend, and she should be so comfortable with me, like she not have no conscience, her conscience not bad. And then she come over my home like we like what her like she not do nothing. She should come over there, come sit down like she not do nothing, so I fight her.
And then she always a come when my daughter is not there, and him always here. But me Cheryl, what make me feel so suspicious, I mean, not gonna lie, me tell my daughter say something alright. Is one Sunday I come home from church, and I meet her right there, and I say, well, my daughter is not here, and she said, she know, but she come pick up something. So by the time I come, I say, no, call for him run down to the bathroom. Who run down to the bathroom? My daughter, man. So I tell my daughter, say something alright. Check out that friend and check out her man, something alright. He look very fishy. That is true. But it depends. Sometimes in a relationship, you can't blame one party, because it depends on where the man said to the woman. Because you can't tell her, say them having problems and whatever.
Yes, it's true.
They're my friend. Yes, that is it. You understand? Yes, if anybody else do it, then we can't say, well, man a dog and them always a cheat and them this and them not honest, but they are friends.
And then she come over there and she make complaint to you and she don't tell her what happened. Like, she should be the one to come and say, Mommy, I did something with my best friend, boyfriend. She just come over there and tell her, like, me just beat her for nothing. And I don't like that.
Well, the thing is this. You're wrong. You're wrong. They tell you, say, you forget the money, but me never tell you, so you have to go sleep.
Mommy, I know
with
what
your
burned me,
best friend, man.
Let me tell you what burned me. You remember our cousin? Yeah. And that our cousin did not try to get to my boyfriend, and she was the same one who helped me fight her, and now she be the one taking my man.
Let me tell you something. You see, sometimes when you have friends, she's my daughter, but I'm going to tell you something. You see, sometimes when you have friends, you trust them where your man is concerned.
Okay.
You understand? Because it can be, maybe she was jealous.
That means that's not friend then?
No, maybe she was jealous.
Because if me have a friend, and he can't come around my man and me not pre-suspicious that. Like, me not pre-negative things that me not know my friend.
No.
So, if me did call her my friend, me would have a problem with her with my man. So, me did call her my friend.
Call her your friend.
So, she did say, I can't have a friend and make them come around the man. That means when I take them as a friend then.
No, because let me tell you something. Sometimes people, they see what you don't see into your
But mommy put her dog now the same look. The man can't give me things and end up there.
Right, but some people don't know that. Some people don't know that.
Teach her that.
You understand? Yeah, but you see, the thing is this.
She don't take telling though.
She don't take telling. And you're not removed from on a smart, so you should have known.
Sorry, head tough.
Right. You understand me? Well, since
I never expect that from her though. She let me down big time, so I did have to put her in her place and put her aside.
Well,
But Cheryl, I like how you talk the truth. As a mother to a mother, I like how you speak the truth. Take up care because of your daughter. You understand? She's wrong.
yes.
Because as we say, from them go to school, from kindergarten, them go to school, they are friends. So really and truly, she should be the one, that if she steam out there do anything, to come and tell her friend and tell her to be weird. Instead of she the one I do it. That's why I'm so upset. You understand?
Yes. And to be honest, if I was in that position, I would be upset also.
Exactly. Exactly.
So what I'm
On
saying,
my bed. On my bed when I work my hard money by namely don't pan out sex. On my bed.
well,
My friend
neither she,
on my bed.
neither she nor the man no have
They
any
can't
feel.
come back there.
Well,
No,
you
no,
want,
no.
Him a
leave
dog.
up to you.
I'm a 2-foot dog.
Leave up to you now, because since I reached that far, that fight, well, We don't want to hear say no more fighting and so from now you must know whether you want to continue the relationship as a friend or you want to
Mommy, to be honest,
apart.
see where me pray right now, me just want work and come home. If me see up on the road, I will say hi and bye, that's it. But right now, me no want no friend, me no want to see no friend. Me just want work, my money and come home and lie down. Even man, me no want to see. I need a time out now.
You need a time out.
Yeah.
You need a time out.
No man, no friend.
Yes. You need a time
So
out.
from work to my home, don't want no more friend. No more friend in my life, me done. Me wash my hand when they come out a friend, no more. So,
Me not run you because if that happened to me, me would really want to have a friend like that. So, me not run you. So here what happen now. Me you go home. We go talk about this thing. No but mommy nothing. Go on in front of me. Alright. So
thank you, Mom, for coming.
yeah, and thank you for make me know what is what.
Alright.
Alright, Miss. Yeah, man, and have a good day. You too, darling. Take care of yourself.
Mommy, me I go lie down.
Don't go lie down. Rest your brain.
Alright, my brethren. Alright, mommy. Bless your toe. Bless your toe. Agwan. You called me a while ago. I for the step of the fork and start then. Some children give me break for cut way. Just come with the rest and cool off your man.
So you're good now.
We're gonna 5. You can't for. You just come to us now, so? And massage you want?
No, so me pack up the things them, you know.
And the massage you want? That you want?
No,
That you want though? Your mother run there?
yeah, mommy around there.
We can't block the love. You see,
No, mommy supposed to out the door this.
when I see her around the door, but you see you love me.
You go on.
Loud. You say if you never loud. The time we had nothing we have to carry we ever saw. Hello? Alright. Alright, see the boss I call me, see how you alright, yeah, man. Funny, give me a little time off, no matter how don't get busy. If you want to eat, we can go up if you don't care.
Door.
I'll read like that.
Door.
Same thing we have.
I thought to mommy so.
What do you tonight, can? Talk to her, make she bless you. Make she bless you that me breathe at this time, yeah. Yo.
They put me there, go on me there. Me have you on video. Me see it.
You see me on video.
Me put the phone up there so I see everything. Me say, me see it with me one a friend. And then you go with one a friend, Then so you go with one a friend. And you claim to say you're a good man. And when you see what you want to give me hand. Let me go.
You know the only reason I try this, I will come here church.
Let me go. You fit up it. You're no good man. You fit up it. Me no like it. You fit up it. Come out of my house. Come out. Pack your things and come out of my house.
I know what you think, man.
Pack your things and come out. Pack your things and come out.
Are you like to me?
Pack your things and come out of my house.
You like to me?
No, I don't want to hear no me. Make him packing things and come out of my house.
I'm look on the camera. I'm look funny.
Pack your things and come out.
No, I'm not here.
Are you?
Pack your things and come out of my house.
Sure?
Take your things and
Your face are sure. And then you're a liar. No, put him out, my daughter. Put him out. Put him out. We can't go on.
come out of my house.
All you do is make pay bills in my daughter.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
Don't take him back, you know. Don't take him back.
No.
I am wicked. Don't take him back.
Is that a mistake, man?
And he might lie to me. And I tell me, say, man,
I don't want you back in here.
yeah,
Come
put him
on.
out.
We're done with you.
Take him to the curb, my daughter.
Tidy up me house. I'll leave my place. Can stand people once. Can put me bed and go walk and come back.
You'll find better man.
Look at no man in there, you know.
Come out and go. Now why you back?
Hold on, for
Your crosses. I'm afraid of him, my crosses.
all big deal. And I say, money girl,
Me say, go on, come out of my house. Me wait, come out of my house.
She not for know.
Come out. You reckless piece of shit.
Later. Later we meet up here. I'll take you out. I'll take you out, you know?
Go take out Emily.
I'm just a side chick that.
Take out Emily.
that wasn't no friend. I'm a friend, that's a friend too.
I know why you back in here.
Oh, you make it to the end, man. So if you make it to the end, you know, so a bag of things go on, you know what I mean? So, we're up on the verge of putting in some work. So, we want to do a restaurant on the front one at the time then. We have one and two little things because we have to figure out a way how to survive in this time, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground, man. You know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD studio in the background. Still a work in progress, you know what I mean? Still a work in progress. But you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So we are counting on the people them out in our world. You know what I mean? Because we can't do it alone. If we can't do it alone, we do it, you know what I mean? Because with a youth like this, we're not afraid to do what I can. But I do what I can at all time and do my best. So the donation them is really necessary and really important to what we ought to do, you know. You know what I mean? Plenty talk and some do. Yeah, man. So big up to everybody out there. Big up Miss Williams. Big up Damien. Big up a lot of people to big up. From Cool Breeze. So it started from so big up Cool Breeze, Antoinette, Jews, you know what I mean? Big up to Empress G from that time. You know what I mean? Long time I know no reason, but whether they are still a wallet, is it? Whether they are still a wallet, whether they are still a wallet. Yeah, man, so with the right type palm tree, you know what I mean? Right at the palm tree, I get a little shady from it, you see? Jah blessing, you see that? Jah create this here so we can dance and all the vibes. You see what I go on? Yeah, man. So with that studio, like I say, I try build if you build and get up and running. Still a work in progress. You not reach yet.
My name is Shakira Lone. I'm from Montego Bay. I enjoy doing music and I'm a new member of the JAMMIWOOD team. My otherwise called Kiki.
Yeah. The actress name called Kiki. Don't stop the camera. Just you next somebody that's all.
Next.
I do I hear. You mean? Do you hear more nice of yourself? At y'all for Christmas.
My name is Tiffany Moody. I like doing movie.
She like do hear too. She like do I hear.
JAMMIWOOD TV. Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
What's her name in that movie? What they call that movie?
Tiffany.
Oh, she named Tiffany in the movie. And some shy friend over here, so.
Miss Shy.
Yeah.
When-
Shy serial
My name
killer.
is America. I enjoy doing movies.
JAMMIWOOD. You friend of JAMMIWOOD? You can't say JAMMIWOOD, I'm fan here.
Yeah, new member team now.
I'm a new member of the team.
Yeah, man. So, when you stay tuned, all the part things will go on. We have some new things that come up. Alright? So, stay tuned. Yeah, big up everybody out in our world. Enjoy.
Follow me
yourself.
on TikTok, Sexy Kiki.
She's up on TikTok.
Sexy
too.
girl Kiki, sexy girl Kiki, sexy girl Kiki.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
To the most I give thanks to life. And we have a couple names. Well, I give people them name because I don't know if they want the name call. But big up. My brethren can reach out to me. You know what I mean? Perkins, big up yourself, body down to the ground. Take what you take. And you go do what you do. You see? Yeah, man, I have all a reason. I'm going to show me some things. Same way, big up to my next brethren last night from the live. I don't remember my name though. But we'll figure it out. But you know yourself though. Big up myself from Portland. We'll follow through Portland because we'll go over there to find all of the river them, all of the falls them. You know what I mean? We have some move if we go do on them side there. So a bag of thing go on same speed. You know what I mean? Let's go.